Hey guys, and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're going to look at how to remove the green screen from a video using Canva. Let's begin. I have simply uploaded a green screen video with an object here. Then I click on the video. On the menu bar, many options will appear, from among which we need to select Edit Video. Then let's just click on the background remover. Do remember that this is a Canva Pro feature and you can only use this after you have bought the Canva Pro. Let's begin. As you can see, the green screen has been removed completely. You can also look at the filters and apply it to the image. Now let's play the image. Let's try to put another background. And there you have it. That is how you remove a green screen from a video using Canva. Hope you found this video helpful, and for more informative content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.